nung third quarter down kayo, pero ikaw yung nag-ignite nung comeback nyo to take control ng second half. Gano'ng kalaking bagay yung performance mo today at makapasok kayo sa semis?
Inisip ko na lang kailangan kong bumawi kasi yung first half medyo off rhythm ako and then pangit yung start ko. So nung halftime, kinausap ako nila Chris Ross, mga teammate ko, coaches na just stay aggressive and stay focused again. Kaya yun, start nila ako ng third quarter and ganda naman yun.
Throughout the conference, ginagawa mo yun yung parang instant offense ka, did it again today, ngayon na semis kayo.
Well, yun talaga yung parang ini-insert sa akin ng mga coaches like, pag labas ng first group and then our time sa second group. So parang hindi siya second group parang kami yung first five sa second quarter. Parang like that. First five sa second half.
Doon alam naman natin naging start niyo sa season, parang 0-2. Pero ngayon, after tonight, 10 straight wins heading into the semis. Masabi niyo sa naging turnaround niyo?
For us, ano lang naman, iniisip lang namin is one game at a time, kailangan ng iba natin. Yun nga, maganda yung naging, after 2 losses namin, tinrate na namin yung game, parang playoffs na. So, maganda naman yung resulta ng 10 straight games.
Thanks, Don.
Thank you.